Mama, what you looking at?
I'm looking at the Disney Doorables Villains series.
All right.
Someone call for the villain.
Okay, Susan.
There are some very cool villains in here, and the
Show
bonus-
everybody.
Well, the bonus looks like it could be Maleficent, but there isn't.
As a
nothing
dragon.
that's right.
Dragon.
I ain't no lizard. I don't do that tongue thing. All right, Mama. Let's get it unwrapped, and then we will count the Doorables, and hopefully we have the 13th, because we never get the bonus.
I know. We
Ah.
really want the bonus.
All right. Susan, put some magic on it. Are you Susan?
No. Yeah.
All right.
Now you're mine.
All right, let's get this opened. All right, what are you going to do with those, Mama?
Yeet. Yeet.
All right.
We have 12.
We have 12. We do not have 13. So no bonus.
One of these days.
But each of them start guessing on your first one, okay? Who is it?
I believe the evil queen.
And who is it?
I'm going with Cruella.
Okay.
I really don't know. Oh, well, I got the one I wanted, but it's not Cruella.
Mufasa.
I've got Star.
It is
Surrounded.
the evil queen from Snow White.
So he's got a lovely bunch of coconuts.
Diddly diddly.
Yeah.
And she has poison apples.
Yes.
So
They're
we're
a
very
match made
fruity
in
over
heaven.
here.
Star.
Very fruity.
Is it a rum by fruity?
Yes. All right. On to the next two. Guesses.
I think I've got the Queen of Hearts.
Okay. Guesses.
I think Lady Tremaine.
Okay.
Oh, I am definitely seeing red.
Oh, and let's actually
And
compare her.
She is so different than the other one.
Who's right here.
They are the exact same mold, except
One
the
is
faces are, one is red, one is there, but also
then one
the
has a gold crown
and the hair is different.
yes. And you do have Lady Tremaine.
I love Lady Tremaine because her hair is flocked.
Mom loves flocked ones.
I don't know why, but I do. Well, actually, see, her hair is flocked, but her body is not.
Yes.
Hair is such an interesting color.
Well, yes, because
It's supposed to be black with then center white.
well, I think it was black, but when they put the flocking on it, then it turned
I like
gray.
it. All right, let's put her down.
And Lady Tremaine is from
Cinderella. Yes. All right, you two start guessing the next ones. The producer shall wait. Who is it?
I am guessing Maleficent.
Okay.
I'm guessing Facilier.
Cassilia?
Ah!
Are you
I
right?
am correct.
Here is Maleficent.
Wow.
Ooh,
Facilier.
and her face is glittery.
Facilier looks cool with his fan.
He
Or his
is
cards.
cool.
Wait, what is he from? Oh,
He's from
from
Princess and the
Princess
Frog.
Princess and the Frog.
Very cool.
yes.
Very,
Maleficent,
very
of course,
cool.
is from Sleeping Beauty. She's very scary.
This guy is such a...
Very scary.
Very cool. All right, they're on to guessing their next ones.
Okay.
Please hold. Susan, who is yours?
I think I have Jafar.
Okay.
Potentially.
And who do you think you have?
I believe I have Tamatoa.
Okay.
Oh, I don't. It was the other one. I have Ursula.
Ooh.
Look at the eyes.
Oh, that is Tamatoa, yup.
Yes.
So let's see how she differs from our other Ursulas that we have
the faces
here.
are all completely different.
Yes, so let's compare these
And
ones.
I think probably this one is the closest in terms of hair sculpt.
Yes.
But the hair, this whole body is different even.
Yes, this one's actually
is
a
a
different one. This is
completely
a different
different one.
mold. Yeah. So let's put these. Oopsies. No, that Ursula doesn't go there. That goes in the seance.
You wanted to.
No.
To
We only want these ones. So here's all the 8 that we have so far. We have 4 left because we did not get the bonus. But the bonus one is Maleficent as a dragon. We already have Maleficent as a dragon here. So it's okay if we don't get this one. I shall allow them to do the guessing. Who do you think yours is, Susan?
Cruella?
Deville. I believe I have Captain Hook, and he is really cool. I am correct.
I do not. I have Jafar.
Oh, you've been thinking it was just one of these was Jafar for a little while.
I know.
I love how shiny
gold
he
is pretty.
is.
And this Captain
Oh
Hook is.
my
Oh,
gosh!
he's glitter.
He's very sparkly.
This Captain Hook looks like he popped out of a drag show.
He sure
Am I mad about this?
No.
No, even the pose. It's very very dramatic. This is excellent.
Where is the other
So
one?
you'll have it right there.
You have it right
No,
over
no,
there.
the other Captain Hook we have.
Oh,
Oh,
he's
you have it
playing
right here.
shuffleboard. He's right here.
So
They
just
are
to compare.
Just to
very
compare, they are
different.
very, very different. I like glitter one. He's fun.
They did pop out of a drag.
Yeah. He looks like a bunch of drag queens threw right up on him, and I'm not mad at it. She has the last one. These are the last two. So you have one and you have the other. So you don't have many options to guess. Have fun. Who do you have?
I believe I have Cruella de Vil.
I'm cool. I'm cool.
No, I don't.
I'm cool.
Wait, no, you're wrong.
You have
have-
Cruella.
I have Hades.
I have DeVille.
Cruella de Vil, Cruella de Vil. If she doesn't scare you,
Although
no
this
evil
complexion
thing will.
will.
That
Do we
complexion,
have
she
any
might
other
be dead.
Cruellas?
To
No.
see her is to take a sudden
Which means it's good because you have
chill.
Perdita, I think, and
Cruella,
Pongo.
Cruella de Vil. That's not one of the set. Leave that there.
I know.
Mom, no, we have to keep the puppies away from her. She's
That's
gonna kill
true.
them.
That's true.
She just
her
wants
away.
to make fashion, though.
Hades is probably the one who's the least likely to do something. So we'll keep him. I like Hades.
Yes,
He's
but he is the same mold as
yeah,
your
same
red.
mold as our
It's
red
just
one,
completely
but the
colored
difference is
differently.
one is cool and one is
This one
dying.
is frozen Hades.
This
very
is normal
cool.
Hades. And
Normal Hades, and this is the one whenever he's blowing
This
up.
perfectly describes you and I. You're on the left, I'm on the right.
Yes. All right, Susan, lady, anything to say for the viewers before we finish?
Are we ever going to get a special edition for one of these damn packs?
Someday we will get the special edition.
Not
Someday,
today.
but not today.
Today is not our
I
day.
think we need to blame this on Rachel.
How is this my fault? I'm just the producer. You're the talent.
So you're the producer, which means you are responsible for acquiring the goods. We are the talent. We show up and do the job, which means you are a terrible picker.
I just go eeny, meeny, miny, you.
Pick. Which means we are correct. And of the three of us whose responsibility this is, it is
Except
you.
it's just the click of her computer as she
Yes.
orders them off.
I pick
of
a little,
various
talk a little.
websites.
Cheap, cheap, cheap.
Cheap,
Pick a
cheap,
lot.
cheap. Talk a lot, pick a little more.
Pick a little, talk a little, pick a little, talk a little.
One Grecian urn.
2 Grecians.
Sorry.
And a fountain.
Trickle, 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 trickle. All right. Any final words for the viewers?
You have a lovely phone case.
Thank you.
Thank you for being here today.
Goodbye, everyone. Thank you for joining us.
Have a good day.
Bye.